Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to view saved video on YouTube. So if you want to view the saved video on YouTube, the first thing you have to do is to save a video on your YouTube. Let me see, I saved this to watch later and I want to view this video. So what I have to do is to go my profile. Going to my profile, I just have to tap on the view all on playlist. Then you're going to see the first option there that say watch later. If you have a playlist, you see other options though, but because I saved it on watch later, I just have to tap on it and you can see the first video that I just saved now. If I want to watch it, I just have to tap on it and start watching it. So guys, that is it on how to view saved video on YouTube. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.